It's time to eat flower horn. Yay! Kakain na siya. You want some food? You want some food? Share ko lang sa inyo yung food ni flower horn. Ayan, ito. From Chayo. Humpy head. Ito siya, oh. Yan. For 9 months, ito ang kinakain ni flower horn. Yan ang favorite niya. Humpy head feeds. Same size siya ng pepper. But this one is only for flower horn fish. And color maroon siya. You know. Look. This one helps to increase head growth and at the same time improve shape. Kaya kita mo naman, no, for 9 months, ang laki-laki agad ng kanyang head. Yeah, it's so big. And at the same time, it helps to improve the shape. Kung dati flat siya or hindi maganda yung yung shape ng head niya, pero ngayon, look, sobrang ganda ng kanyang head. And you see, yung curls sa head niya, di ba? You know, yung curls, kita nyo ba? Sobrang ganda, di ba? Ayan, maglagay na tayo ng food. It's time to eat flower horn. Come on. I know that's your favorite. Time to eat, come on. Kain ka na. Time to eat, baby.